on the scene. It's got you screaming, Oxidean Marine.